In my behavior system, a pattern interrupt is a way to get immediate attention over and over. So when I'm working with teachers, and some teachers are like, Joey, that doesn't benefit them. And they say Joey's not listening. But every single time Joey takes a step, if you have one of those long mirrors, Joey's like, Joey, and he's laughing. How many of you love it when you have your name called out loud? So imagine instead, if we did something like, woof, every single kid would turn their head. What their dog? Are we allowed to bring dogs in here? And it's a pattern interrupt. So a pattern interrupt that I offer you is something called the cold breath. So how many of you have tongues? Just checking. Okay, cool. Okay. So take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like this. Okay? Everyone got it? So what we're going to do is we're going to do something called the Princess Bride test to make sure that you're doing it right. So take your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. Everybody say, Wav. True Wav is a magical experience. Everything, Princess Bride cop. Okay, awesome. So if you ever seen Princess Bride, you got some homework to do, okay? So take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, and now take a breath with your mouth. Try it. And then breathe out. One more, take a breath with your tongue, and then breathe out. Just like that. How many of you felt a cooling sensation overcome your body? So that's a way to pattern interrupt when you're about to make a decision that could be detrimental. See, we're not trained as humans. If something happens, like if we come home and we see somebody that's way too happy. You ever have that happen? Our programming doesn't have us go, oh, well, I'm having a bad day. Let me actually go ask them what had them have a good day and choose their way of being. What we do is we bring up that one thing that we promised we would never bring up, and all of a sudden, you're upset, you're on the couch, you're this, you're that. It doesn't help us.